How to extend video duration in Canva. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extend the duration of a video by looping it automatically. First, open Canva and create a new video project or open an existing one. Next, go to the Uploads tab and select the video you want to use. If you drag a short video directly onto the page and set it as the background, you'll notice that you can't extend its duration beyond its original length. To make the video longer, first click on the page duration at the bottom of the editor. Now, increase the page duration to the length you want, such as 20 seconds. Once you've extended the page duration, drag your video onto the page and set it as the background. Canva will automatically loop the video to match the page duration. You can preview your project to make sure the video plays smoothly for the entire length of the page. And that's it. You've successfully extended the duration of a video in Canva by looping it automatically. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Canva tips and tutorials.